Today's 2-minute update comes from our new offices in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Now, we find there's confusion about whether banks and credit unions are covered federal contractors and have to prepare an affirmative action plan. There's a couple ways a bank or credit union might be covered: serve as a depository of federal funds in any amount, or act as a transaction agent for U.S. savings bonds, although that's mainly done online now. The Executive Order 11246 regulations define a government contract as any agreement for the purchase or sale of personal property or non-personal services. And non-personal services include agreements for insurance such as FDIC, SLIC, or NCUA insurance. So a financial institution that carries federal share or deposit insurance is considered to be a federal government contractor. In our experience, most banks and credit unions don't often know this.
Not only are most banks and federal credit unions covered federal contractors, but the industry has recently come under greater scrutiny. The U.S. Department of Labor's OFCCP has indicated a special interest in the financial services industry. In President Obama's 2017 fiscal year budget, OFCCP specifically states that it intends to target financial institutions for compliance evaluations. OFCCP has also asked Congress for nearly $2 million to establish new training centers to arm compliance officers to better focus on certain industries, including financial services. The goal is to develop a team of highly trained and skilled compliance officers who are experts in conducting compliance investigations in specific industries, such as financial services. Banks and credit unions should be prepared for upcoming enforcement audits specific to the federal financial industry. It's critical to prepare an affirmative action plan along with the other compliance requirements before receiving notice of an audit.